All right, this is take 1 million on how to set up your science notebook. So first thing you're going to do is write your name on the outside. Then you're going to open it up and you're going to label this first section, provided you don't fall out of your chair like I just did. Do now. Okay, so do now. And the way this section will work is you might have, I'm going to show you just an example here, but you might have do now for tomorrow that takes up like this much space. I'm doing sticky notes just so you don't copy what I do by accident. Okay, and then this would be the one next to it. So you might potentially have just like 20 do nows on one page. That way we're using our space. And I would encourage you to use the backside as well, or you'll run out of paper. Okay, so after this, you are going to count 12 pages. This here is a single sheet of paper. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That 12th piece of paper I'm going to hold between my fingers. Now, to do this, I'm going to stand up, make sure I can see my page here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scoot my notebook over just a tiny bit. And so this page right here, I'm going to take the top tip and this top edge, and I'm going to bring it all the way down to the center of the book so that the top edge lines up with the center of the notebook. Then I'm going to fold. Then I'm going to take this bottom edge and I'm going to pull it up so that the whole bottom edge lines with the center of the notebook, just like the last one. And if I've done this correctly, when I get done, it's going to look like I have the tip of an airplane. Okay, and I'm gonna label this part classwork. Okay, and I want to do nice handwriting if I can. Okay, and so sometimes I'll put a little piece of tape in there so it doesn't flap open. Now next, we're gonna go all the way to the back of the book. Boom. Okay, to the back. This is the front, this is the back. We're gonna do something similar, but this time we're gonna count 15 pages from the back. Remember, this is a single sheet of paper. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And then this is our 15th page. I'm gonna hold it in my fingers. And again, since this is the front of the book, I'm gonna fold this one just like I did the other one. Okay, so I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna take this corner, and I'm gonna pull it down so that this whole top edge is gonna line the center like this. Okay, then I'm gonna do the same thing. This bottom corner, I'm gonna take this whole edge and it's going to come down so that it lines the center like that. Okay, and then I'm gonna fold. Again, I can put a little piece of tape here to keep the flap down. And then I'm gonna call this resources. This might be places for notes or vocabulary. All right. Okay, and that's it. And then the beauty of this system is it opens nice and easy to the sections that I need to find when I want to find them. Okay, so this first part is where we start class with our do now. Thanks so much for listening.